Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to add students to a course or a group. Basically, there's two different ways that you can do it. You can have the students self-select themselves into a group or a course using an access code, which is the way to go if you have a lot of students to add in. That way, you don't need to manually enter them in. It's a little bit tougher at the elementary level, getting those kids home and getting them signed up with using that access code. The other way is to add them manually, which actually isn't as time consuming as you think. So I'm going to show you both those ways. The first way I'm going to show you is how we have students log in and get themselves into the course. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and have the students, well, first off, create the course, and then I'm going to show you where the access code is located. Um, we get logged in here to Schoology. So what you're going to have to do as a teacher is create the course or group. Once you have the course created, all courses and groups have an access code, and it's on the left side of the course, about halfway down, 3/4 of the way down. So here's my access code. It's 10 digits, 5 digits, a dash, and then another 5 digits. They are not case sensitive, but it's easier to make sure that you have the right letters in there when you write them in capital. So have that access code in mind. You can give it to your students. Then what the students need to do is log in, and their login information is their student ID number is their username. Their password is password with the lowercase p, and then they pick their school with the 192 after it. They already have accounts created for all of them. And once they get in, they click on courses. They go down to join, and then all they need to do is type in that access code um, with the dash already in it. Now I'm not going to be able to join here because this is my course, but they just type in like that, they hit join, and it's not going to work this time because I'm already the administrator of that group, but basically they join the course, and then they're good to go. So that's one way to get the students to do it. The other way is to manually add students into your course. Again, you need to create the course first, and then what you need to do is go down here and click on members. These are all the members that will be part of the course, and then if you want to add members, you go over to the right side here, just click on add members, and basically just make sure you have the right school up here. And you just start typing the kids in that are in your course. Like, let's say I wanted Mark something, Mark P. Hit enter. All the Mark P's from that school, you just click on it, and that'll be a check mark, and you can keep searching. Dina, click on her. You notice up here now it says to selected, and you keep adding people until you have all of your kids in there. You don't need to send them a code via email because we can just automatically add them in. Then once you have all the people selected, just hit add members, and they are added to your course. Simple as that. There is one little trick with groups here I'll show you real quickly. When you add members to a group, I'm going to go to members, and I'm going to go to add members, and let's say I want to add these 3 people. You'll notice that down here it says add members without invite. If you're setting up the group and adding the members yourself, I suggest checking that box because then it automatically adds them. If you don't have that box checked, then it'll send them an invitation to do it on their Schoology page, but they would have to manually go in there and hit I accept, be part of this group or whatever. So it's kind of up to you how you want to do it, but there's 2 ways to add students into your course. Thank you.